2026. Welcome to a cultural journey through rhythm, heritage, and Caribbean pride. We are the phenomenal Stepmasters Majorettes. This year, our costumes tell a story before movement is made. Inspired by vibrant Caribbean Madras prints, carnival brilliance, and island pride, each design represents heritage, celebration, and identity. To the sounds of Jam Band's anthem, we introduce our toddler division, led by Emma Rain Arnold. The story continues. We stay rooted in the Virgin Islands tradition with worship. Caribbean culture blends humor, storytelling, and rhythm. And our junior division carries that spirit forward. Coached by Florencia, they represent growth, strength, and rising confidence. This journey would not be complete without honoring Quilbit, the official music of the Virgin Islands. Born from African rhythms and storytelling traditions, it remains the heart of our culture. Please welcome our intermediate division, led by the Unique Boy and Tiffany George, and they are coached by Hyla. Let me see what on the floor. But wait, we cannot take you on a cultural journey without touching the birthplace of Carnival. We celebrate the energy, freedom, and global impact of Trinidad and Tobago. Confidence, discipline, and Caribbean pride. We pay tribute to Sasso, a Virgin Islands legend and icon of the Caribbean celebration and sound. And when that beat drops, you already know. Man, led by senior leader Janique Powell and coached by Michelle.
Right, on the side of party, baby.
this journey